Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're so welcome. Today we're making dodo, that is fried plantain in a different way. This is air fried plantain, so we're using an air fryer for this. So just keep watching, I am sure you're gonna love it. So here we have onions, tomatoes, scotch bonnets, and of course some ripe plantains. And for the spices, we'll be using barbecue spice, garlic powder, and finally curry powder. Then the next will be our oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice, okay? Guys, I believe a lot in variety. I like to have many ways of making a particular thing. Like for stews, I have many recipes for stew, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of them with you. For everything, I want to have variety of ways of preparing them. So that is what we're doing with this plantain. We're not making the conventional fried plantain. So if you're a lover of variety, do consider clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get all my recipes once I upload. Okay, join the family and subscribe now. Okay, so I have just introduced all the ingredients to the plantain: the garlic powder, curry, and barbecue spice. This barbecue spice replaces salt and seasoning. The next thing you want to do is to sprinkle over it a little bit of oil. As we're not going to be frying them in a deep fryer, we're using an air fryer. I'd also want to suggest to you guys that an air fryer is a must-have for your kitchen because it makes you make your meals healthier. See, we're not going to use a lot of oil and it will come out perfect. Whatever it is you choose to fry with your air fryer comes out perfect. So if you're someone who is seeking to cut down on calorie intake, do consider getting this, okay? So I have just set mine to 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to be frying it for about 15 minutes. So while that is going on, we're going to start making our sauce. This is going to be a simple sauce, and to make the sauce, I'll just fry the onions, and after frying the onion, I'm going to introduce the tomatoes, the scotched bonnets, and my barbecue spice. I chose barbecue spice for this recipe because I was craving that barbecue effect. Okay, so you can use any seasoning of your choice, use any bouillon cube or any seasoning of your choice, and it will work, okay? So even if you're not going to use an air fryer, can you try frying your plantain with some of these extra seasonings like the garlic powder and the barbecue spice and curry that I added? It's definitely going to give you another level of taste. So look at these plantains. They're looking very yummy, and I'm sure you want to have some, right? Oh dear. This is one of the meals you can make in just a few minutes. As you're frying the plantains, you can just quickly make this sauce, and in 15 minutes, dinner or lunch is ready, right? So I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds over the plantain, and that is completely optional. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye.